welcome to day 3 of New York. So we're walking in Times Square from our hotel. We're going to have breakfast. We're having breakfast at Central Perk. Guys, we're in the Friends Cafe. We're in this little photo spot. Let me show you a little tour. Little sofa here. It's a really cute little setup. Guys, I'm not wearing a coat today. It's Christmas Eve here in New York and it is a little bit busy. There wasn't much of a queue for us, but there is definitely a queue building up now. Guys, they've got yogurt bowls, overnight oats here, and then they've also got like salads, I think, and sandwiches as well. All Friends themed. They've got croissants, muffins, scones. Dad's got a little snowman on his drink. What drink did you get again?
A Chandler's hot chocolate.
I've got a hot chocolate and a blueberry muffin in here. Got my hot chocolate and this is my view. Times Square. I'm gonna try the hot chocolate. It's decent. It's quite thin. Blueberry muffin. Lovely. You got to come on your hand. This is my blueberry muffin, guys. Let's give it a taste test. It's nice, but it tastes a bit different to the ones in the UK. Because it's got like an oaty taste to it, a cinnamony kind of taste. Not a massive fan of cinnamon, but other than that, the blueberry muffin tastes really nice. So guys, we finished breakfast at the Central Perk Cafe. It was actually really nice. We are walking to Grand Central Station, and then we're going to go to Summit One Vanderbilt afterwards. Guys, we've arrived at Grand Central Station. It's so busy, oh my gosh. I'm going to try and get a little Gossip Girl scene filmed here.
Hey Upper East Siders, Gossip Girl here, and I have the biggest news ever. Melanie91 sends us this. Spotted at Grand Central, bags in hand, Serena van der Woodsen.
Summit One through here. Guys, this queue is so long, it's ridiculous. We've just been told to come back at 11. Our booking is at 11, it's 10:51. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is exactly what it was like when we went on the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Just recording with my phone because I'm not allowed to use my camera.
God.
Anyway,
What's going on?
they've given us these shoe covers. Let me show you. They've given us these shoe covers. Anyway, the queue is so long still. So long.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're at Summit One Vanderbilt. We are on the 91st floor. It's so bright here, but I don't want to wear sunglasses because it's going to ruin my makeup. It's really busy though. This is the next room on the 92nd floor. You can see Central Park from here as well. Guys, we've got water fountains here. I've not done this since I was in school, but I'm so thirsty. Guys, we've only got one more floor to go up. We've got about an hour till we need to leave again to go to our helicopter ride. But once we've gone up this floor, we're gonna leave, walk back to our hotel, which is about a 15-minute walk, and then we're gonna just freshen up and go straight back out to the helicopter ride. We are out on the terrace. This is the top floor of Summit One. It's windy up here. Guys, it's 2 o'clock. We've just left our hotel to go to the heliport. I took off my makeup because I needed to pray. I only had time to put my lashes back on. We're just going with this. It's better than nothing, I guess. We're at the heliport. You can see a helicopter there. Sick. Dad's not coming with me. I'm doing this by myself, but they're here with me for the moral support. We're just at the heliport right now. Just checked me in. They just checked my passport, measured my weight, and then I had to pay like a $40 landing fee. Guys, look at these little things they're putting on people. Mine is at 3:30. They could call me anytime before, they said. And it's now 2:52. I really wanted to do it at night time, but I think I mentioned to you guys that they cancelled my flight yesterday because of the weather, and I was supposed to do it when it was night and everything was all lit up, so I am sad that I'm not doing that. But I thought I still want to do it anyway, just for the experience. I don't know if I'm ever going to come back to New York again, so I'm doing it now during the day. Hopefully still get some really good views. It is so loud. I have my sunglasses on because it's quite bright out here. we have finished the helicopter ride. It was amazing, really enjoyed it. I met some really nice girls as well that I went on with, a little family, so that was nice. And it lasted about 13 minutes, I want to say. It was really good. The pilot was really nice as well. I got some amazing videos. I'm going to put it all together in a TikTok as well. But yeah, we're now going to a place called Pizza Love Sauce, and we're going to get some halal pizza. Guys, we're at Pizza Love Sauce.
I don't want sauce anyway.
Yeah, I want chicken.
I think I want a buffalo chicken or a spicy vodka pepperoni.
Buffalo chicken looks alright, and same with the chicken one. Guys, the pizza's come. Oh, yeah.
They're very nice.
It's a bit spicy, got a flavour. 10 out of 10. So we've just finished from Pizza Love Sauce. The pizza was really nice. So we were going to do the ferry, the New York City ferry, and we were going to watch the sunset, but it's too cold. Me and Dad don't have big enough coats on right now. It was really nice during the day, didn't need my coat, but it's all of a sudden gotten really cold. The next ferry is also in like an hour, so we'll be waiting around for ages, so we decided just to go back to our hotel in Times Square. Then we're probably gonna watch a movie, because we signed into Netflix on the TV in the hotel, which is pretty cool. Last night we sat and watched a Christmas movie, it was really nice. And then we'll probably go out and get some dinner later on, because it is about 4 o'clock now. So later on in the evening we'll go back out again into Times Square, and Times Square was so busy last night. I think it's going to be the same tonight. The whole lead up to Christmas is insanely busy in New York. So when we first got here I thought, oh, it's not that busy, but yesterday was so busy. I do want to get some fridge magnets, and I want to get some keychains as well, but all the shops are so expensive, like $20 for a keyring. That's not right. Yesterday when we were walking around Times Square we saw that there was a lot of street vendors, a lot of stalls with souvenirs, merchandise, that kind of thing, but it was so busy, and I think it's going to be even worse today because it's Christmas Eve. Hey everyone, it's about 6:10. We've left our hotel and we are walking to Adele's to have some dinner. It's quite busy tonight on Christmas Eve. Let's see how long this queue is. Guys, look at this queue for Adele's. Oh my gosh. It is at least an hour and a half. We were queued up for 45 minutes and the queue was not this long. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go and try and find the halal guys instead for some dinner. I think it's just a bit further up from here. The halal guys. Guys, they've got Dubai chocolate strawberries here. No, but I wonder how much they are. Small $16, large $22. Is that small or is it a large? Oh my god, that's a small. That's a large. That is not worth $16 and that is not worth $22. Guys, the famous baubles. I don't know why, I just didn't expect it to be in this area here. I've seen these on my TikTok for you, they look so cool. So guys, we're in a souvenir shop, found some good deals. 6 for $12 and 4 for $12 on the Fuji keyring. It's got some really cute ones like pink. I love these. Pink. That just gives 4th of July Elwood's vibe, so I like that one. Look at that one.
That is so cute. Wait, we need that for our fridge.
Okay, 1, 2.
I like this.
Oh, that is cute.
I think that's
okay.
so pretty.
So I feel like that should be for us.
Okay.
And then work will be this one. We bought our souvenirs. It's so busy, guys. Literally so busy. You just have to get past this rush near, like opposite Radio City. We're seeing Radio City up close. Feel like Kevin right now in Home Alone. So guys, the queue is just way too long for the halal guys. Why is it not moving? Let me show you. It's insanely long. So I've just ordered from Burger Mania on their website, which we went to yesterday. I didn't actually vlog it for you guys because, as I said, it was too busy to vlog. The food was nice, it was so filling though. I'm going to show you guys the food, what it's like, because it was nice. It's just so filling. Everything here is so filling. Like, I literally can't finish anything. Guys, we're back at the hotel. This is dinner. So I got this burger from Burger Mania. It's the Nashville chicken burger. It's really nice, a bit spicy too, which I like. So I'm just going to sit and enjoy my dinner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Christmas Day.